Special list of words, part 8. This is the last part of this series of special list, and we already had done the 7 parts of the same, and today we will do the last list of this series. So first word is hero. Upward H and R. Hero. Next, heroic. Upward H, R and K. Heroic. Heroically. So upward H, R, C, L. Heroically. Heroine. Upward H, R and N. Heroine. Assure. SH and R. Assure. Next word is assured. So SH and RD. Assured. Assurance. So SH R N S. Assurance. Assuredly. So assure and ly. Assuredly. Assurer. S and R. Assurer. Next is found. F N. Found. Founded. F N and D. Founded. Founder. F N. Founder. Foundation. F N S H N. Foundation. Foundational. Found. SH N and L. Foundational. SH N. Next word is collect. CL. Collect and T. Collect. Collected. Collect and half length of T. Collected. Next is collector. The collect and TR. Collector. Collection. CLK and shun. Elect. Downward L and half length of K. Elect. Elected. Elect and did. Half length of T. Elected. Next word is elector. Then elector. Downward L and double length of K. Elector. Election. Downward L, K and shun. Electionary. So elect. Downward L, K, shun. Election. Ear. Downward R. Event. V with N hook in half length. Event. Eventual. V N G L. eventual. Eventful, V N F and downward L. Eventful. History, H S T R. History. Historical, KL. Historical. And historian, his T R with N hook. Historian. Next is liberal, L B R and L. Liberal. Okay. Next word is liberality. Then for liberal, L and ब्रेलिटी के लिए बी आर. लिबरलिटी. नेक्स्ट इज लिबरल. Sorry, next is this is liberal, liberality and illiberal. So L B R and L. Illiberal. Patriot, P T R in half length. Patriot. Patriotic, P T R in half length and K. Patriotic. Patriotically, P T R in half length, then C L. Patriotically. Patriotism, P G R S M, and this T R in half length. This is patriotism. Okay. Next is precise, P R S and C. Precise. Precisely, so P R S L and वॉवेल इसके अंदर आएगा I. Precisely. Precision, so P R S N. Precision. System, S M. System. Systematic, S M K. Systematic. Systematically, S M and K L. Systematically. M is in half length. ठीक है. This M is in full length. This is in half length and this is also in half length. Systematically. M. Systematically. Next word is systemize. S M G and S. Systemize. Next is systemization. Systemization. Local, L K L. This is local. Locality, L C L T. Locality. Next is localization, L localization with shun hook. Localization. Matter, M in double length. Matter. Material, so double length M and L. Material. Next is materialist, so metal L with ST का loop. Materialist. Materialistic, same outline. Metal and less and K. Materialistic, ST का loop and K. Immaterial, so immaterial, L. Septic, P in half length and K. Septic. Septical, so S sept and cal. Septical. Septism, S septism. Septism. Sincere. Sincere. Next is sincerity, SNSRT. Sincerity. And the last one is sincerely, S and S, upward R and downward L. Sincerely. Signature, SG and double length of N. Signature. This is signatory. Signatory. Certain, SR in half length and N. Certain. Certainty, so SRNT. Certainty. This is certainly. Sorry. Certainly. And next, uncertainty, so half length N and T. Uncertainty. Certain, then S, R in half length and N. Ascertain. Next is ascertained, so S, R in half length and half length of N. Ascertained. Next, ascertainment. So S, Sir, R, N and half length of N. Ascertainment. Ascertainable, Sir, 10 and able. Ascertainable. Clear? Next is insist, then NST. Insist. Insisted, half length of T. Insisted. This is large circle of S. Insisted. Next word is insistence, then insistence and intensely. So intentionally, disjoint करके. Next and the last word is exist, existed, half length of T, existence, existence, existent, exist in half length and N, existent. Let me write again. Existent. Okay, and last is known existence. So known N का hook and existent, known existent. Okay, so here our all the special list of words is completed. आई होप आपको सारे लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स समझ में आए होंगे अच्छे से. बट स्टिल यू हैव एनी डाउट, यू कैन कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, और you can follow my Facebook page where you can message me directly. So do practice guys of all the words whatever we done in this chapter.